explaining about connectors.
Words that connect two sentences without changing their meanings are called connectors. My friends will explain some connectors.
And is used to connect two ideas as in. Example, I go to tuition and write my homework.
But is used to connect different idea. Example, I can swim but my brother cannot swim.
All is used when there is only one choice. For example, I can drink coffee or tea. Thank you for listening to our.
Hope you all enjoy.
Well done guys, presentation by our class 3 students. You did.
Topic: How I won a game with hard work. Characters: me and my friend. Setting: park. What happened at the beginning? I was playing badminton with my friends at the park, but I kept losing. What I do? I ran to a corner and cried. What I feel? I felt very sad. What I think? I thought I was bad at badminton. What I say? I said I did not want to play anymore. What happened at the end? My friends ran towards me and taught me how to play badminton. Now I know how to play badminton. My name is Bhupendra and she is Sudha and she is Tarun. Today we are sharing our personal experience while playing a game. To write our personal experience, to ideate our ideas, my friend will share our personal experience how we win a game using table.